Hi everyone, my name is Molly Thompson and today I want to introduce you to the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. It's the first of its kind with 2 independent air fryer baskets. If you're looking for a healthier way to enjoy fried foods at a larger capacity, then you need this on your countertop. What I love most about this is the dual zone technology. It has 2 air fryer baskets that each hold 4 quarts, so this whole air fryer holds 8 quarts total. This allows you to cook a large amount of the same food as well as cook different foods simultaneously using the same function, temperature, and time. Today I'm going to show you how this match cook feature works by making everybody's favorite French fries. You can also find this recipe in the Kickstarter guide that comes with your Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. Start by taking your crisping plates and putting them in both of the baskets. Take your frozen French fries and divide them evenly in between both of the baskets, so 1 pound each. This yields 2 pounds of frozen French fries total. Once you've split your fries into both of the baskets, turn your air fryer on, select basket 1, select air fry, turn the temp to 400 degrees, and then set your time to 32 minutes. Hit the match cook function so that it automatically copies over the same temp and time for basket 2 and hit start. We recommend stopping and pausing to shake or toss your food a few times during the air frying process. All you have to do is press the start or pause button at 20 minutes and then again at 10 minutes, and it'll stop both baskets at the same time. When the French fries are done, the unit's going to beep. Have a big bowl ready and then remove the French fries from both baskets. Now how easy was that? Have some of your favorite dipping sauces ready and enjoy a few fries with your friends. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. You can find more information about the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer and more recipes on ninjakitchen.com.